Okay, hello all of you. How are you today? We are having a new topic now. The topic again belongs to social science. Okay, the first chapter, Endowment of Nature. It belongs to class 8. Yeah, I am taking topic resources and its types from the Endowment of the Nature. Okay, resources. So many things are there in the which are used by the human beings on the regular basis. Okay, from this chalk to this duster, books. Okay, so many things we are using. We are using papers to write. We are using different utensils to work. Okay, different implements. We can say बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, right? Cycle we are using, water we are using for drinking purpose. Okay, what the actually things which completes or which fulfills a daily needs that can be considered as a resource. ऐसी चीज़ें जो हमारी डेली नीड्स को फुलफिल करती हैं उनको हम रिसोर्स कहते हैं. Okay, so many resources are there. We are using so many things. Paper से लेके बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. Pencil, cycle, water, whatever drinking purpose, washing purpose. Okay, utensils we are using. So many utensils. Kitchen appliances we are using. Utensils for the agriculture we are using. So many machines are available in the country. Right? So many resources are there. It depends on the individual person. Okay, for a teacher, a book is a bad resource. For a teacher, a book is a resource. He is getting knowledge from the book and providing knowledge from the book as well. Right? For a cobbler, piece of leather can be a resource, right? A piece of leather or cobbler, a piece of leather can be a resource, right? There's so many different peoples are there. Like for any transporter, his vehicle can be a resource because it's a valuable for him, right? It's a valuable for him. A boat can be a resource for wood, can be a resource for carpentry, right? Carpentry. Because with the help of wood, it will make the useful thing. He will make the useful thing. Okay. A bar of gold can be a resource for the goldsmith, and iron, the raw iron can be a resource for the ironsmith. So many things are there available, and different. It depends on the person to person. It depends. These resources are different for the different people, so you can say. Okay, how a thing can be termed as a resource? हम किस चीज़ को रिसोर्स बोल सकते हैं? किसी को भी? No. Some facts about the resources. One, it should be we can term a resource. It should be a value. It should have a value. If a thing, if an object, if a material having a very good value, a value that can be considered as a resource. We can say if anything having valuable properties, it can be considered as a resource. Valuable. If anything is valuable, it can be considered as a resource. Remember one thing. And a thing it depends on the thing's utility, the use of it. Utility or the usage of it. Particular thing. And what and how the things is actually used by the person. Okay, that material will become a resource then. We are having gold. As such, it's a natural product. If with the help of wood, a carpenter can make chair, can make beds, double beds, sofas, and so many other items. Okay, domestic items you can make with the help of wood. Wooden logs are also used to make ships, and in between the railway tracks, the wooden logs are also used, okay, to have the proper distance between the railway tracks. Means we can say it depends on where the things is actually, or we can say the utility of anything, right? And if anything is there in a sufficient amount, it can be treated as a better resource. If anything can be sufficient amount, it can be treated as a resource. It should have value, have its proper uses, and also in a sufficient way. That material can be considered as a resource. Now I am coming to the distribution of the resources. Okay, the distribution. In my words, it's uneven. We are having alluvial soil in the northern plains, Agra, western UP, so many, almost the whole UP, Punjab, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Assam. These are the riverine plains. Some are made with the help of Brahmaputra, and we belong to the Gangetic plains. So it's very easy to understand this distribution. Resources are uneven. Somewhere it's a farming is available. We are having alluvial soil. The farming definitely will be more suitable to such places. We discuss about the mineral resources. In Uttar Pradesh, it's a scarcity of the minerals due to the plains. But in case of plateau regions, lots of minerals are available. In Jharkhand, coal and other minerals like iron ore is also available. But those places are not very much suitable for the agriculture purpose. So we can say some resources are available somewhere, other resources are available in other places. According to that, and uneven as well. Okay, there's no mineral resources in Uttar Pradesh, in Punjab, lots of resources are there in Jharkhand. It depends on place to place. There is Assam here. There is a petroleum products, but other parts of, and other than this, Bombay High is another place where the petroleum is available in India. But other parts, this is a very huge, it's a huge country. The petroleum products negligible. Okay, so we can say the resources are uneven. Okay, depends on the climatic conditions, it depends on the physical features, and we are having almost every kind of features. We are having mountains, we are having plateaus, we are having island groups, two important island groups, one in Bengal, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar island groups. Okay, Lakshadweep is there in Arabian Sea. Okay, desert we are having the greatest, or we can say the oldest plateau on the planet, the Peninsula Plateau. Yeah. Distribution is uneven. When we discuss about the distribution, we can say it's uneven. Okay. Somewhere resources are available, but they are unable to get those resources due to the lack of technology as well. I mean, there are various reasons for getting resources. Okay, now we are coming to the types. A very short discussion we are taking place here. We can't go beyond the limits. Okay, the types of resources. Types of resources. The first one is the natural resource. Those resources we are getting directly from the nature. Okay, those resources which we are getting directly from the nature, natural resources, plants, human beings, animals, minerals, okay, water, land, sunlight. So many resources are available. When we discuss about man-made, these are actually obtained from the nature. Okay. Now we are having man-made resources, the second one. Actually made by the human beings, like architecture of the country. We are having lots of buildings out here, like monuments, so many monuments are there. Taj Mahal in Agra, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, so many architectures, so many monuments are available. Okay, architecture. Other buildings, commercial buildings we can say, that is again the architecture. We are having parks. Okay, parks होते हैं हमारे बहुत सारे. Bridges भी आ रहे हैं, bridges. Okay, all are made by the human being. So these are called human made or man made. Now the last one is human as a resource. How human can be a resource? It is fulfilling, it's a value. It's a value. It is having its own value. Now, human as a resource. Definitely, human without human friends who cannot use these resources. But only those human beings which are assets. Okay, just leave it. Those resources which are eligible, which are having knowledge, training about resources. Only those can get the resources from the nature. It's impossible to get the resources from the nature directly. Lots of knowledge is needed for that. Lots of training is needed for the human beings to get these natural resources. Okay, it's unable to get minerals, coals and petroleum. Lots of technology is needed, and technology needs training. Only is training and technology. Technology. Three important factors. If you are having no knowledge, you can't get these natural resources from the earth. Remember. Okay? The human being who is having knowledge and training and technology by getting education. Education and training. And training is needed for that. Education is the necessary factor to become resource. And only human resource can be worked as an asset. It can be worked as an asset. And others who are not resources, they are other liabilities. For the country. Okay? They are dependent on the other peoples. Therefore, okay, you can easily understand the human beings. Without human beings, it's impossible to get these resources, the natural resources. Clear? So this is all about today's topic. Okay, we will meet again in the next period. Bye bye.